Hey yo, what's up everybody, it's Zin JJ. Today we're going to do a technical analysis on this Luna token itself, and after that, from there we're going to jump into the video. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video. And let's get started by introducing you to my Discord channel, which I'm trying to build a small community. So if you are not in yet, just join it in the description link down below. And after that, we're going to jump into it right now, the Luna price analysis. So as we all know that Luna right now has been like hitting his all-time high from over and over again. So over here you can see we are now at the all-time high once again, and of course I have a small prediction that it is going to fall towards the level that I point out, and I will tell you why is that so. It is very simple, because nothing goes up forever, and I would say that this analysis itself is a very short-term trade. I would say that it's not a long-term trade that you can rely on, or I would say I'm not any financial advice. This over here is just my personal opinion and of course my understanding on the market. Therefore, I would say that this is just a small support and resistance video talking about the price itself. So we can see over here the all-time high that Luna hit was around $47.70, and after that we can see right now it's having a red candle over here, and after that we can see I have highlighted over here on the RSI itself. When it hit the all-time high itself, it yeah, eventually like over here it met our all-time high and it was RSI overbought, and of course we can see again another time it is trying to break its all-time high of these levels, which is possible because previously we know that the whole market pumped yesterday, and I would say that right now today it is somehow having some correction. Therefore you can see which it has broken the RSI again, and after that it is now going downwards. So what's the level of support is coming to that Luna is going to reach? So over here for my prediction is, first of all, I'm going to set a stop loss at 47.80 cents on the all-time high itself. If you are going to go for a short-term trade, always put a stop loss. So the next thing over here is to look out for the next support slash resistance. So the next support and resistance line over here is 43.69, and after that over here the second level that you can catch your entry is 41.58, and of course there's other entry levels you can look out for as well. Over here we can see this over here is quite support as well. So over here 40.12, depending on how much it's going to retrace, and I believe that it definitely is not going to retrace down back to like this level over here, but it is possible if let's say like shit happens, like the news that I do not know, suddenly the China or let's say USA intend to ban Luna or something. Yeah, basically the price can go down over here, I would say, to the 25 levels. But of course we can just look at this support over here, this tree over here. It is not a very solid one. I would say it is a temporary one. So if let's say you are looking for entry for Luna itself, kindly wait over here. I would say if let's say you are going for a short itself, you already missed the position over here, which you can short over here, I would say. And after that yeah, basically a few hours ago it was like bouncing around this level and eventually went down deeper and touching this support over here, this very one candle support or two candle support over here. You can see right now is at 45.5. It is trying to basically form new support and resistance over at this range over here. We can see 47 and 43 over here. This is where Luna is going to bounce around for the meantime period. Over here you can see this is what happened previously, that it bounced, and after that over here it broke the all-time high, and after that it bounced around, and after that from there eventually it just went up again. Therefore I would say that this is the range that you want to look out for, 43 and 47. And after that we can see that yeah, in the future, if let's say you want to catch, let's say you miss the entry of buying a Luna because it is all-time high, nobody's going to tell you to go and buy Luna because it's all-time high. But of course you have to do some technical analysis. Where can you buy in the next time? Over here I would say the next level that you can really consider is this 43.69 to basically enter your bag of Luna. And of course if you want to dollar cost average down the road itself, you can do it by using this range, 43, 41 and 40. And of course eventually if let's say you are somehow a long-term investor, you can look out for 35 as well. I believe that Luna might head back down to this level itself. So over here we can see there's a lot of support and resistance, a lot of candle touching this line itself, $34.13. This over here is a place where you have to look out for Luna. If let's say it break down towards this side, break below 34 itself, it is definitely going to hit this level over here as the next support, $24. So this is over here, Luna has been very hype, and of course you have to look out for all of this. And of course basically we are going to talk about what is going to happen right now. So how did I came about with this all-time high? Why not? It's gonna go to the moon all the way, because nothing goes up and forever. It will come down eventually to do a retracement, and after that form new lower lows, higher highs, or whatsoever you want to call it. And after that over here, what's gonna happen right now? We can see the RSI is going back down to this 70 and below, and after that from there we can basically watch Luna bouncing at this range, as I already mentioned previously, 47 to around 40. 43, and after that of course we are going to wait for it to either break one more, or if let's say it broke up over this 47 itself, you can look, we do not know where it's going up or all the way. I mean, like, we do not know where's the next price level, because over here you can see Luna, it is already at its highest high, and after that over here, if let's say it broke up, it might go up to 60 or even 70 depending. And of course we have to of course always do our risk management, so always set a stop loss if you're gonna short the market or whatsoever. So yeah, basically we're gonna talk about where can you trade on Luna itself if you are interested in trading. So over here, the exchange that I recommend a lot is basically OKX itself. You can see I already have a position that I've catched this short itself at this level of 46.25, which I seen the price moving around, and I believe that it is going down, because when I look at the RSI, I know that yeah, it is somehow overbought, and of course it needs to go down and bounce around to make some sideways trade, and from there I'm able to profit off on this trade itself. So I set a stop loss very near the high itself, I would say. So the stop loss I've done is around where is it? So my stop loss I have set is at around 47.9, just in case, and of course my liquidation is 50. So I would say this is a very tiny, very risky trade, because I use a 10 time leverage, and of course I use isolate, and after that from there you can trade on OKX as well. If let's say you are a FTX user, you can use FTX as well to trade, and after that, these are the two exchanges that I recommend if you are gonna do trading on. So I've come to the end of the video. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course I would like to introduce you to this website they have generated. Basically it's called airdropscams.com, to prevent yourself being scammed, and of course from there you can learn more about all these airdrop scam that is ongoing on the Binance Smart Chain or every smart contract platform. You might feel that, oh, I receive $5 up to $40,000 worth of free airdrop. You might think that you strike a lottery or something like that, but of course you want to know how does this scam work, just head over to airdropscams.com, and from there you can learn how does this whole scam work, and after that you can share with your friends and family, and of course your loved ones as well. So I've come to the end of the video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.